How many of you right now watching this video have some knowledge up here or a course you want to launch, but you just have no idea how to do it? Alex, tell them.
Ladies and gentlemen, your dreams are sitting on the shelf waiting for you to tap into them. The only reason that you haven't is you've lost the confidence, you don't think you're good enough, or you just don't have the right strategy.
Exactly. That's what it comes down to, ladies and gentlemen. You see, Alex and me, we've done crazy launches before. I mean, just a week ago, we hit over $30,000 in just one single week. And guess what? The course wasn't even built out yet.
No,
it was
the
just
power of pre-sale.
It was just with the knowledge above here, guys. And what I want to explain to you guys is most of you out there just don't know the right system. It's not that you don't have the craft. Most of you out there are so powerful. I mean, the knowledge you have can ultimately change somebody's life, but you just need the right system.
And here's the bottom line. I don't just want to say you need the right system. I want to tell you exactly what you need, ladies and gentlemen. You need the product. You need the process. You need the offer. You need to systematize everything else in between so you can have that crystal clear clarity to start generating 6, reinvest your profits to start generating 7.
And what we want to do, this is what we've done, right? Me and Alex have prepared a special, exclusive, mind-boggling webinar for you guys that's going to teach you step by step on how we took our product without having any idea of how to go in the digital space and turn that into such a business that generated leads, income, sales. I mean, literally on autopilot.
Absolutely, ladies and gentlemen. So somewhere below or somewhere to the side or up above, there should be a button. Opt into this free training, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to change your life. It's absolutely transformed ours.
And we're going to end off with, let's start manifesting our dreams together.
Absolutely.